AI tools for automating tasks. Let's be real, most of us are buried under repeat work. Copying data between apps, scheduling meetings, naming files, writing the same emails. It drains focus and time. Today, I'll show you the AI stack I use to automate the boring parts, so you can get back to the work that moves the needle. First, the hub, Zapier, or Make. Think of them as no-code connectors. New lead in Google Sheets? Automatically create a CRM entry, draft a welcome email with ChatGPT, and ping Slack. One trigger, multiple actions, hands-off. Email triage, Superhuman or Gmail plus AI. Use AI to auto-label invoices, extract due dates, and generate smart replies you can approve with one tap. It keeps your inbox actionable, not chaotic. Docs and notes, Notion AI. Summarize meeting notes, turn bullet points into project plans, and auto-generate task lists with deadlines. Pair it with calendar integrations, and your notes become workflows. Meetings, Otter.ai or Microsoft Copilot. Auto-record, transcribe, and highlight decisions. After the call, send a summary to Slack and create tasks in Asana. No extra steps. Desktop automations, shortcuts on Mac or Power Automate on Windows. Rename files, convert formats, and file them based on content using AI. It's like a personal robotic assistant for your folders. For teams, Slack workflows plus AI. Route requests, summarize threads, and trigger approvals with buttons. Less noise, faster decisions. Here's the win. Stack small automations to reclaim an hour a day. Start with one pain point. Measure the time saved, then iterate. Keep humans in the loop for approvals, and audit your Zaps monthly. Less busy work, more deep work. That's the power of AI automation done right. If you want a walkthrough of my exact templates, drop a comment. I'll link them in the description. Thanks for watching.